Hi Nard.
Hi darling, how you doing?
I'm good.
What are you up to?
I'm trying to film you, but I've got Lockie. There's Lockie. There he is. There's Nard, and there's little Elwood Bonds. Just chilling out. He finds it a bit. Oh. Ah! So there they are, they're going off.
If you start again at that door.
So here you go. Here's Nard.
We're just in the garden, it's our first trip round the garden. The Fonz is going to love this garden. It's so pretty. Lots of flowers, lots of places for adventure. It's going to be gorgeous. He's going to be here with all of his cousins doing the Easter egg hunt. His mum and dad took so seriously in their time.
What do you think of that?
I'm going to feel quite resentful actually. I'm not allowed to participate anymore.
He doesn't look particularly pleased at the moment with the said garden.
See if we can take his dummy out. He's alright without it. Aren't you, darling?
Yes.
He just needs a bit of a rock. He doesn't need a petrol dummy.
Okay, well let's go and sit back down.
Well, let's keep filming in the garden. It's nice.
I just wouldn't mind just a quick rest. Let's go and sit down. There's the dog. There's little Maximilian. There's little Max, and there's Vanish who's taken up residence on our rug, as per usual. Hello, Max. Hello. So, yeah. I think he'll need to go and think. It's a bit bright for him, eh?